650. Ay, shuck, sorry. How's your day? Very good. I'm gonna give you 50 pesos change. Hold on. Hi there, guys and girls. 650. Thank you, Lord, for all these wonderful blessings. Day 124 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own. Not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, disappointed, mad, angry, or whatever ill feelings that you will have. Beware and be aware. Otherwise, when you got failed, sorry, what I'm trying to say is your dreams will not push through, will not prosper. Okay? And then expand and enjoy. Bye for now. Earn, earn, earn. Save, save, save.